My name is Ray Filon. I've been losing my teeth for the last 20 years. As I got older, my teeth started falling out one by one. So it's time for a change.
At Amazing Smiles, we are essentially in the business of changing patients' lives. When Ray came to us to the consultation, he had a CD in his hand and he told us that he wanted to have the Al Green smile.
Dr. Jindali told me with 3D printing, he can design my teeth to look just like Al Green.
The nice thing about digital, we can look at the Al Green smile, and because this is like edit, copy, and paste, and we can make anything we want. Being able to offer chairside printed prosthetics while the patient is waiting, which is very achievable with desktop health printers, typically 45 minutes to an hour for whatever you're printing, that is really game-changing. What we're currently using is Flexcera Smile. It really has very, very nice mechanical properties. The printing and the resolution comes out very nice. All the parts come out crisp with nice contours. The colors lend themselves very well to characterization and coloring and contouring. The Flexcera Smile material is FDA cleared for use in patients for many months. Flexcera Smile by far is the most widely used. We use e-guide for surgical guides. We can replicate prosthetics immediately. We can print 1 copy, 2 copy, 3 copies. If the patient desires a quick change, we can just go and revise and make the change. So the turnaround is very quick because we already have everything we need. And that would not be possible with the traditional workflow. And with this technology, with the 3D printing, using the desktop health printers, we have the ability to transform somebody's life within a day, where they come in with an inability to eat or smile or function, where they can walk out at the end of the day with a healthy Al Green smile that he always wanted.